I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain ledger creation in Tally. First, open Tally and go to the gateway of Tally. From there, select Accounts Info and then Ledgers. You'll see options to create a single ledger or multiple ledgers. Choose Create under Single Ledger to begin. This initial step is crucial for setting up your financial records accurately within the software. When creating a ledger, the name is vital for clear identification. For example, cash account or sales income. Next, assign it to the correct group, like bank accounts or direct expenses. This grouping helps Tally organize your financial data. If you're starting with existing balances, input the opening balance carefully to ensure your books are accurate from day one. Tally offers advanced options to enhance your ledger management. For party ledgers, you can add mailing details such as address and contact information. For bank accounts, input banking details like account number and IFS code. Additionally, enabling cost centers allows for more granular tracking of expenses and revenues, providing deeper insights into your business operations. These settings streamline your accounting processes. After entering all the necessary details, press Enter or Yes to accept and save your new ledger. Always verify your entries by viewing the ledger list to ensure everything is correct. If you need to make changes, select Alter from the ledger menu. Remember to check the description for a link to grab Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Proper ledger creation is fundamental for accurate financial reporting and smooth business operations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.